let's talk about table of content. When you have created your document and you have used all the styles that we discussed in our video about the text formatting, you can build a table of content. It could be done easily with the reference tab, table of content, and here you will see the basic built-in table of contents. But we need a custom one because there are some specific formatting guidelines that we have to follow right now. So we click modify here, and for each table of content level, we will set our formatting. So we go to .1 modify, and here we have to fill some basic formatting settings, mostly about the indentation and line spacing. So the line spacing stays the same, 1.5. It's still 12 points. Now important part is after. So after will be 6 points here. So we press OK, and we press OK for the dots 1. Then we go to dots 2, modify. Let's change it here. So what will change here? So the first step, we don't need first line here. 1.5, good, and then no after, and indentation here will be moved to 5 or 6, 0506. Press OK and press OK. I would like to check, I will check because probably I forgot something. Yes, I did. No first line here also. Okay, so press OK, press OK. Let's go to the third level. Mostly it's enough. Third level, then we go to paragraph, no first line, and the hanging here is 1.2 or 1.3. So let's say 1.2 and no after. Okay, then we press OK, then we press OK, and then we say OK. So that's how it will look like. It's perfect. So our last step is to format this other headline, and that is our table of content.